Mega love shout out. Have a great day, everyone. I introduce you this one, the table of my bunso Alaga Hasan. He's doing now the computer game. He doing a symbol, a computer game.
So, Marianne, what do you want as you want case?
This one have color apple green.
Let's check green.
Yes, this one.
This one?
Oh, apple green that like
I
this
think
one,
this one.
like that. Oh, wow! See, he's doing now my computer dream, guys. Just only computer. He's assemble a computer.
Which motherboard do you want? You want very good one, Nana?
Yes.
Okay, I'll find. There is no good ones in the start. There is this one. So we need to remove this, like this, and we remove the top. Now we try finding it. I recommend this one more as well.
It's up to you which better of me.
This is from Asus and it's good for, it's from Ryzen. Okay,
Long time
now
this
that
one.
you're done, you go on CPU, Ryzen 9. You can check these. Do you want this one, Nai?
Yeah.
It's very good.
Yes.
Okay. So we need to open this and then install the CPU. Now we need the memory. Let's try green. There is green, but it doesn't look very efficient.
Not all green, white. Not
White, you want white?
Yes, not all also green because the
Okay, there is
see?
this one.
All green this one.
Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so we want more RAM. You want this one. And only this one. Looks nice.
Yes.
Now we're gonna put very nice water cooling. This, it means it's for I forgot what it's called, but it will make it look better. We could take that, but we just have to remove the dust filter and then we put this. You have to screw it in. Done. Okay, now you want the resolver. You put this one here. Now you want the CPU block, this one. Okay, since you're done with that, you want to choose a graphics card. Do you want a powerful one, Nanai?
Yes.
Let's check a 3070 maybe.
You can upload more this one.
There is this one, AMD Radeon 60. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. 6800. 60. We need to remove this. Do you want two graphics card or one?
Which better, two?
One.
Oh, one, okay.
I think it was better if you take 3080. Which one looks nice to you? There's only 1, 2, and 3, and 4.
This one,
This one?
Yeah,
It doesn't fit.
oh,
So
doesn't
this
fit.
one maybe.
Okay, okay.
Looks nice for you?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now we go back. We put this. Okay, now we go here and we take water blocks. So this one doesn't fit.
Yeah.
Now we need these pipes to connect them to all of the places. So now it looks better. And now we need to connect these one, I think. No, you don't need to. So you go on parts and you go for power supply. Let's go with 1000 watts. This one. You think it looks good?
Yes. I like it.
Okay. Now you want green?
Yes, that's why.
With white? Green and white?
Yes, green and white because you have the background is all green now.
This is just mix. Okay, Nana?
Yes.
It's okay.
You have too much screw, no?
Yeah. Oh, we forgot to put SSD. So we need to put SSD, but I think we'll try without it. And I will put SSD, okay?
Yes.
I mean hard drive. But okay. Open drive bay. SSD. You want 2 terabytes?
Yes.
Okay, then this one. Okay, and you want to try. Oh, still there is something. I think we need to close everything now. Now, then after we put the side panel. This filter, I don't know where you put it. So, Nana, you want fans?
Yes.
Green?
Yes, this one green.
Okay. We need to remove this then. And once you're done with that, back on.
Again.
You put the side panel back on, and then
Wow, it's
Finish.
working now. Finish. Wow, great job, Hasan. Very nice. I love it. Hope I can take this one.
but only game, not real.
I only game. Yalla, close na this one to final.
There is also this computer I make,
Ah,
and there is this computer. The biggest one I have, I think it's this one, yeah.
all you did this one?
Most. All of them, yeah. Okay, I think this one. Yeah, this one. I will put the plugs in. And it's Still not plugged in. So we put the cables in, and this is the biggest computer I made.
For me?
No, for Dania, and I made you the other one. I made everybody one computer.
Where is my final computer?
Your computer, this one.
This one, no cover.
This is cover. There is glass.
Glass, this one.
Mm.
Oh wow, nice. I'm thinking we have pasimsim this one ba? Ay, oh right, last. This one for Danya.
Yeah.
For Suso.
This one.
Yeah, where your baba?
My dad. Let me take out Yasmin's. And no, that's not my dad. So I think this is my dad. No, that's that's me.
Where is for you?
This is not my dad's dad.
This is the Hasan computer, guys.
Okay, yeah, this is my dad's dad.
This
So
one?
I put cables in. This is my dad. My mom, I don't know what this it went. So when I plug this is my dad.
But I like you back my computer. I like this one, right?
Yeah, it's nice, very nice.
I love it. Hello guys. See, Hasan did for my computer, but game guys, but he's smart. He did